What is up, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the brand new drone to the arsenal, to the channel. We bought the Nazgul Evoque. This is like a long name. Let me turn this thing around. So the Nazgul Evoque 6S HD FX F5X V2 Freestyle. That is a mouthful. So here's the specs for it. So this one I got with the TBS Nano in it, and the O3 air unit, of course. Really was contemplating this or the GEP RC Mark V, but I decided to go with this one. So without further ado, we're gonna open this. And also, we're going to be unboxing the TBS Mambo, but unfortunately, I do not have that at the moment. That comes tomorrow. So when you're watching this video, I'm going to open it, but it's going to be in a separate chapter of the video. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Hopefully, the camera angles are pretty decent. Got the GoPro going on the chest, and I got the Nikon up top. So, wow. Wowza. That's amazing. So I wanted, obviously I just got the Cinebot 30 about a month and some change ago. Absolutely amazing drone. And I wanted something that's more dedicated to freestyle. I mean, this definitely, I think, is going to do the trick. And I'm very excited to fly this one. This is my first true 5-inch FPV freestyle drone. So, yeah, guys, let's go ahead and open it up. It comes with 2 sets of props, as you guys can see right here. 2 sets of props. So we'll put those to the side. We'll go through all the accessories first, and then we'll get to the final finale. A little baggie right here. This looks like, let's just go ahead and open it, right? So we got some extra screws, looks like some M310s, so we'll put those right there. We got some battery, little mats, 2 sets, so if you lose one or one rips, you got an extra replacement. You got the antennas for the O3 air unit. You have 4 looks like the prop screws, or prop whatever it is, prop bolts. Here's the other antenna. That one flew off, so I'll have to put those on. Extra screws, M2s, and then I don't think this one's labeled, but extra screws. Put those to the side, and then you get an extra battery strap, which is always nice to have. So yeah, extra battery strap right here. Drop down below what's your guys' favorite battery straps. I might replace these. These feel like, I don't know, they just feel a little, I mean, it's gonna do its job. It's a battery strap, but I might spec it out a little bit, you know, customize it, pimp my ride. So that's that bag. This bag is the original DJI O3 air unit bottom cover, as you guys can see. So I believe, yeah, on this, I'm gonna show you guys, on this quad, they change it out and they put like a heat sink on the bottom to help dissipate some of the heat. So they include the original cover that, you know, belongs to your air unit. And then we have the mounting hardware for the GoPro. So it comes with your Allen key and the bolt washer, all that good stuff, or nut. So let's get this pup out. Now, a little secret. I ordered this thing. I didn't order it with GPS, but to my surprise, this one shipped with GPS. So here's the GPS. That's something that I'm definitely gonna have to learn. I'm not like I said, I didn't order it with GPS. I wasn't expecting that, and I'm definitely gonna have to learn how to program that. But I think for the first flight video, I'm probably not gonna program that because I'm pretty sure that's like a deep dive. I just don't want to go down that rabbit hole yet. But I decided to go with this drone really because I think I watched like every video on YouTube like reviews for this, and compared to the Gep RC, I think this one might have it, but we'll see. I like the lights too. I thought that was pretty cool, and it has the side covers. I thought that was really neat. Bashing this drone, I think this one might have the durability because of the side plates. All your electronics aren't really exposed compared to the Gep RC. I watched reviews on this little XT60 connector right here, and some people like it, some people don't like it, but we'll see how it holds up. Time will only tell. It comes with the GoPro mount right here, really nice. Obviously the air unit, and what I really love are the bells on the motors. I thought these things were just gorgeous, very nice. Let me try to get a close-up real quick. But I thought the bells were just absolutely beautiful. Check that out. It looks like a wheel. Yeah, that's gonna look nice. Let me focus this back. So this is the quad itself. We will put that to the side, and then all of your manual and good stuff. So as you guys can see, we got some stickers. Always nice to have a couple stickers. Safe flight and be responsible. Don't be a dingleberry. And we have the so yeah, this is the GPS rescue mode setup. So this is what I'm gonna have to learn. Yeah, I'll do that another day. And then you have your TBS Crossfire and Express LRS preset notice. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that comes in the box. We'll slide that over there and just take a closer look at this. Wow, very, very beautiful quad. Obviously, I'm gonna be bashing this, freestyling this thing, and it probably won't stay looking this pretty, but very, very good looking. I'm gonna wait because I know you gotta plug in your antennas and all that stuff to fire it up. I would love to show you guys the lights, but stay tuned for the next video. I'm probably gonna do a first flight review on this drone, obviously. So just stay tuned for it. But yeah, this was the quad. This was the unboxing. Now let's unbox the TBS Mamba. All right, guys. So we are back. Sorry for the background noise. I do have my 3D printers going, and I'm in the same room as it. So if you hear them, I'm sorry about that. But yeah. So like I said, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of the Mambo. Little bonus, we have the TBS Crossfire Nano TX right here too. We'll just go ahead and dive into that one real quick. I don't know what this is. That's like paper, I guess, to keep it from hitting it. And then here it is. Wow, very nice. So this is the starter kit. So it comes with 3 different little receivers for your drones. I'm not sure what this is. This is Nano TX. I don't know exactly what this is. I guess to protect it, I don't know. As you guys can see, I'm a huge noob. No clue what that is. And then you have the, like I said, the little receivers for your drones. And all of the spare part cables. You have the RX. So yeah, really quick, just wanted to show you guys that. So we'll put this to the side, and then we'll get to the bad boy. We'll put this over here, y'all. But yeah, I am switching to Crossfire. I was using the DJI FPV controller 2, and I figured I wanted something. I was gonna get the Tango 2, but I decided to go with this one. So here we are. So this is the Ethix edition. As you guys can see, it comes with the stickers. Very nice. More of the padding stuff so nothing gets damaged during transit. And here is what you guys came for. take this out. Well, I'll just put it back in the box. Alright. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Check it out. Whoa. Super sweet. So this is definitely a lot bigger, you know, compared to my FPV controller that I'm kind of used to. Here's the toggle switches. I'm not sure. Oh, that feels good. So you have your, I believe that's the momentary switch. And then this is just your one little switch right there. These are all three-way switches. So they're three position, should I say. I don't know which one I'm gonna use as an arm. But yeah, these things feel great. These gimbals, they feel really good. Really good. I am a pincher, so I think this will be a lot of fun. I'm gonna have to bring these up a little bit because I'm kind of, yeah, I'm gonna have to bring them up a little bit. But yeah, here's the remote. Sorry, I didn't mean to get a little sidetracked, but very nice initial impressions. We're gonna set this to the side and see what else we got in the box. Like I said, this is literally the first time opening this thing, so I just was quite interested in that. So, hardware, gonna need that. We'll toss this aside. And with the Ethix edition, you do get the lanyard. So previously, I did fly with the lanyard with my FPV controller. Check that out, really nice. Nice padding, feels pretty good. But yeah, it attaches, you know, to the controller, and just like that. Very nice, very nice. Oops. Cool. And then it has some accessories. We'll open this. I believe that is the accessories are the little switch covers. I'm assuming, because it's supposed to come with little switch covers. Oh, and grip tape. So we'll go ahead and pour this out. This right here. Wow, it came with a lot. So yeah, grip tape. Not entirely sure where to put those, but hey. And then you have all your different colors that you can add. So we'll just add a red one somewhere just for fun. So you just slide these over top just like this. Super simple. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that feels good. Wow. Yeah, I don't know which one I want as my arm. I'm not sure. I'm gonna definitely have to play around with that. Which one I'm gonna use as arm, because that's pretty interesting. So yeah, we'll set those up, and then it comes with the kickstand, so you can prop your controller up if you're not, you know, using it at the exact moment. So here's the hardware for the kickstand. Yep. Oh, just dropped something. Grab that. Hold on. Ah! Sorry, camera, didn't mean to kick you like that. And then yeah, so here's the kickstand. So this goes obviously on the back. I'm gonna set this all up off camera. Kickstand goes in the back. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much the unboxing. So yeah, that was pretty much the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up off camera and get some shots of it with the kickstand propped up. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I went ahead and set up the Mambo. I put on the kickstand, and it works flawlessly. As you guys can see, you just open it up and put it down, and it works. And then I went ahead and added the little switch covers to all the switches. and the grip tape on the end, which feels really good. Unfortunately, I did not order the batteries. I thought it came with batteries, so I literally just ordered those. They'll be here tomorrow. I'm gonna try to see if I can use like a power bank and plug it into the USB to fire it up. It did work. I'm gonna see if I can set it up that way, but if not, I'll just have to wait till tomorrow, unfortunately. But hopefully you guys like this video. This is the new bad boy to the channel. We got the Nazgul Evoque F5. Very, very nice looking drone. I went ahead and attached the GoPro bones to it, and I have a 1550 pack right there. So yeah guys, here it is. I attached the props, all that good stuff, took off the stickers. So now I just have to connect everything, get it all programmed, and we will be going for our first flight here hopefully soon. I will be making a video on the first flight, so stay tuned. But with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.